Hey Jake, I made one phone call. I got the same house as you. Same cars too. It's
We're gonna go in. You take out my dad.
Done.
Actually, I'm gonna take him out.
I'll give you
him. You grab the plaque.
I got it.
You act like a freshman, okay? Open up, you old fart!
Get in there!
I'm 22 years old, I'm not that old.
Ow! You son of a bitch! Ow, Jake! Ow, Jake! All right, Gregory. You bitch.
I brought you into this world. I can take you out.
You may have brought me into this world, but...
Yeah, I took a in your subscriber plaque, and all the haters are loving me.
Wait, you took a on it?
Yeah, that's right. My favorite son asked me to do it.
Oh, no. You son of a bitch! I got it! Just get the out of here! You got it! Yo, Chad! What are you doing?
Going home with her, buddy.
What the Let's go! Go! Chad, don't you ever go!
Yeah, but I needed to sit.
Yo, you got it, bro? Yo, let me have it.
Now, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment down below.